Hi guys, it's Ann Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a surprise birthday mail from my boo Craft Purge, and I am so excited. I got home super late and was unable to open this, and I can't open a package from my girl Toni without doing this on camera. So I have already taken out the package, and I have no idea what you put in here, but honestly, she's really heavy. I was like getting my workout in, and I'm so excited. So, fun fact, yesterday was my birthday and today is my son's birthday. We have kind of like a joint birthday. So, it's always fun to celebrate, and my friends who surprise me always make me feel all warm and fuzzy, so I'm so blessed. Oh my god. Now, if you know Toni, she's so generous, she's so kind, and honestly, this whole box of like pastel love is giving me life. Look at this so cute card. Oh my god. And she is puffed up on foam. I'm so happy. And did you make this card? Yes, she did. Oh, and this actually came on my birthday, so it was just like such a pleasant surprise to receive mail on your birthday. Oh my goodness, look how perfect these bows are. And I can't believe you stitched them. That is work, honey. Work, because faux leather is really thick and you really went above and beyond. Oh my god, I got two. Yes. Wow. I'm feeling all kinds of spoiled. Oh my god, look how pretty these are with the iridescent. So cute and so spoiled. And whatever this half of the box is, sister, this is so heavy. Oh my god. It's like you really heavy. Oh my god. Well, let's just put this box to the side. And I'm gonna just take off this gorgeous little bow. Look how pretty this is. I have no idea where you got this ribbon from, but she's frosty. So pretty with the little pom-pom trim. How soft. And I really don't know what this is, but it's so heavy. Okay, there's no saving this tissue paper. Oh my god, Toni! Girl, you give me punches, no wonder. These were super duper heavy, and these are these, oh, Stampin' Up! How fun are these? The layering hearts? Oh my god, Toni, thank you so much for spoiling me, you guys. I'm so blessed to have such wonderful, crafty friends, and it makes a girl feel all warm and fuzzy inside. Anyways, I will leave Toni's information down below. I'm sure everybody knows her. She's Craft Bird. She's famous. So I love you, girl. Thank you so much for my birthday goodies, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone. Have a happy Halloween.